Welcome to my channel. Today we will see class 9 NCERT chapter number 1 number system exercise 1.2 Roman number 1 state whether the following statements are true or false and justify your answers. Question number 1 every irrational number is a real number. Okay, this is true only because I given one video. Actually I will give the link in the introduction, in the description. I will give introduction video. First you can see about numbers, then you will get some idea about this. Okay, because a real number in the sense collection of rational and irrational only is a real number, then it's true only. So you have to write true. You have to write it true because collection of rational and irrational, collection of rational and irrational only we call as a real number. Okay, so that only we are giving as a true. Understand? So I given here clearly because collection of rational and irrational only we called as a real number. Real number will mention as a caps letter R. Understand, my dear? This you can write if you need it. So this is true. Okay, because a rational number is belongs to in the real number, but the reverse is false. Real number does not belongs to in the irrational. That's you can remember. That is very important. Okay, then we'll go for the next one. Now see the question. Every point on number line is of the form root m, where m is an natural number. So every point on the number line, in the sense in number line we have many values. Like negative values, even the point values also we have. Suppose I am giving the number line like this. Now just see carefully. Here 0 I am giving, here minus values it may contain. Okay, here positive value it may contain. If you are taking any value on the number line now, it is in the form of root m, they said. Suppose I am taking minus root 2, in the sense minus root 2. So this is not belongs to in the natural number, because they said where m is natural number, they said. Any number if you take, they said, see every point on number line is of the form root m. In the number line, suppose I am taking the root, minus 2 I am taking, in the sense this minus 2 does not belongs to in the natural number. So this is false. Understand why I am telling this is false? So write here false, because square root of any natural number of, any natural number is always positive. Okay, always positive, never comes a negative value. Comes like this, you can write your own statement, no problem. Negative values. Understand? So this I am writing here. So just listen, false, because the square root of any natural number is always positive. Okay, positive, never comes negative values. So that only I am telling you this is as a false. At the same time, if you are taking some other number, some root 2 or root 3 I am taking now, in between we have infinite values. Okay, in between we have infinite values. Then suppose I am taking some decimal value 2 point 2 I am taking now, and square root of this, and this is not in natural number, right? So that only we are giving this answer. Understand? Okay, next we will go for the third one. Every real number is an irrational number. That is our question. You have to, what is that, listen this. I told you already in the first question, a real number contains both rational and irrational, understand? But they're telling here what, every real number is an irrational. This is false only, because irrational we can call as a real, but real we cannot call this number, because I will give some example. Wait, this is false, so we have to write this is false, right? This is false, understand? Because what is that, real number means it include both rational and irrational, rational and irrational. That is the meaning actually here. That's what I given here, false. But irrational we cannot call as a real. Irrational, but real does not belongs to irrational. This is perfect word. This symbol you can give better, but see, real does not belongs to in irrational, but irrational belongs to in a real. Okay, here what, that's what I said here clearly, false, because real number means it include both a rational and irrational, but a real number does not include in the irrational. Example I will give if you not understand. So number 3 I am taking is real number. Any number you can take is real number, but this 3 is not irrational, but 3 is not irrational. I hope you will understand this. Okay, what I'm telling now, real number we cannot call as a irrational number, but irrational we will say as a real. Okay, so 3 or 13 or 33 or 37, whatever you can take. Okay, 37 is real number, but 37 is not irrational number, understand? So through this you need to understand this. Okay, I hope you will understand this first Roman. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for getting more videos and press the bell icon for getting notification.